If a taxable product is bundled with non-taxable services and the prices aren't separately stated, then the entire bundle typically becomes taxable.
So you just touched on something that, for me hits a little bit of a nerve around bundling. Our software deals with invoicing, billing, revenue recognition, all of that. And what we see are often two patterns of behavior with a lot of SaaS companies who do bundle their transactions. They may be selling some type of additional call it pro support along with their platform fee and maybe some other things, and they throw them into one line item called,
Yep,
I'd like to, can you just expand on that? Like where doing that could create tax exposure that the company may not even be considering
sure.
when their sales team is putting together a bundle, as an example.
If a taxable product is bundled with non-taxable services and the prices aren't separately stated, then the entire bundle typically becomes taxable. I've got SaaS that may be taxable, but I'm adding onboarding and implementation, which service typically isn't taxable. The one thing out of this $10,000 charge that would be taxable is SaaS. But if I've lumped it all together and said, here's your bill for all of these things, it's $10,000, the whole thing may become taxable. And here is the crazy thing about sales tax. You're acting as an agent on behalf of the state, but the states have made it super complicated. And if you do it wrong, they're like, no, you did this wrong. We're going to penalize you. So trying to do it right becomes difficult. So just be very, very thoughtful when you're bundling products, because that may change the taxability for your customer. And if you don't tax it because four of these things are not taxable and this one is taxable, an auditor may come in and say, I want tax on the whole thing. And then you're coming out of pocket for something you should have never come out of pocket for.